Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one's going to be a little different from the usual vlogs. I've been working as an independent digital marketing manager for a while, and some of these I've learned on the job. Everything that I say might not work for you, but you can use these tips to do a little bit of experimenting of your own and find something that works best for you. Firstly, I wanted to talk about hashtags. Hashtags help you to reach out to people that are not your followers, and by consistently using these hashtags in your content, you can convert these people into your followers. We are allowed to use 30 hashtags in a post. You can put them as a caption in your post or even put them as the first comment. It'll work absolutely fine. Now, where do we find these hashtags? You can find them on the app itself, but the whole process is quite time consuming and tedious. This one tool that I use is called Display Purposes. It'll give you recommendations of what hashtags you can use in your posts depending on one hashtag that you put in their search box. For example, if I'm posting about one of my runs, then I can use hashtag run or hashtag running in the search box, and you will get recommendations for other hashtags that you can use. Secondly, I wanted to talk about scheduling your post and posting at the right time. Once you get to 100 followers, Instagram gives you access to insights. Insights help you in understanding certain key analytics about your Instagram account, including what time your followers are most active. You can use this feature to post your content at the right time to make sure that your post gets maximum engagement. I've noticed that this does not work perfectly all the time because it also depends on the type of content that you're posting, but it's definitely something that you can keep in mind if you're going to post daily. I've used a bunch of tools for this, but you can probably give Hootsuite and Buffer a shot. Their free plans allow you to schedule posts on Instagram, and one cool feature that I've noticed, at least on Buffer, is that you can also schedule the first comment. So you can put your hashtags and schedule them as well. Alright guys, I hope that these tips are useful to you guys and it makes your life easier and hopefully helps increase engagement on your Instagram profile. Please leave a comment down below if it does, and also if you have any more recommendations. I would also like to hear from you guys if you all would like me to make more videos like these. This is something that I'm experimenting with. That's it from this video. I will see you guys in the next one.